York and first time in SoHo. Both.
Yeah. We're just chilling and then we're gonna take a walk like lower in West Side Manhattan. If you're seeing this on YouTube, this is your guide to SoHo. Like all the fun places to go. I didn't realize I didn't introduce my close friend, Alyssa. Yeah, so we basically grew up together, but we're here in SoHo right now, girls trip. And so we are here in Little Italy. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, okay, it's like right there. But it says, welcome to Little Italy. It's so nice. There's so many like shops and restaurants. So we're just passing by as we're headed to American Bar. One of the places we're gonna check out. So we just stopped over here at a place called Cha Matcha. You can see that. But yeah, I got a matcha lemonade and it's really good.
Yeah, and I got a matcha latte with almond milk.
And what do you think? Is it
10 out of 10. It's actually really good.
This one's has, you can really taste the lemonade, but the matcha's in there as well. You can get a hint of it. The lemonade overpowers the matcha. But yeah, it's so cute inside. We recommend it. Do you recommend it?
100%.
So this is kind of stop one of our SoHo guide. Day one. We're approaching Washington Square Park. We just got done at Washington Square Park. I'll drop some pictures here. It's so pretty, guys. The arch, and there's a fountain in the middle.
The iconic fountain. Oh
And
my
it
God.
actually kind of cools you off because it sprays. Anyway, we're headed now to American Bar. This is exciting, guys, because we're headed to West Village. There's a lot of great places to eat there. So now we are at American Bar, and we ordered our weekend lunch. This is what I got, fried chicken sandwich. And
I got the same. She got the same one.
We got the same thing. The fries are really good. Really, yeah, they're thin and crispy, but good. How's the sandwich? You took a bite.
Oh my God, it's so good.
So, yeah, again, we are at American Bar. To the patio right now, but inside.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a really beautiful day. We're at Spring and Green Street. Look at these buildings, guys. So pretty. I think we've got the cobblestones on the street. Oh, so what do you think?
It literally looks even better than the picture.
Probably gonna go take snaps and pictures. I might put some pictures in the video as well. Guys, so just an update. We're headed over to the Oculus, which is this iconic kind of building structure. We're gonna go check it out, maybe snap some pictures. I've seen a couple pictures and they're so nice.
Yeah, I can't wait to go.
Yeah, we both can't wait. It looks really cool from the outside, but guys, wait till you see the inside. It's just so incredible. Look at this, guys.
Guys, it's huge.
So we got in from there and we're just taking a couple steps and that are so nice.
View.
Yeah, so right. And there's like, I think a mall down there too.
So big.
Fun. So Alyssa and I are now walking towards the Brooklyn Bridge, just a pedestrian lane. But we had to figure out how to get here because we were initially gonna Uber to the other side because we couldn't figure out where to walk. But then we found that like in front of the city hall, there's an entrance to the pedestrian lane. So we're here right now. We're just talking about how we're crossing the Brooklyn Bridge, and by the time we're across, we are in Brooklyn.
Pretty wild, actually, and it's huge. Like
exactly.
The sunset.
And guys, exactly. We're loving the sunset, guys. Do you see the skyline? That is so beautiful. I really recommend coming here sunset.
Yeah, sunset is the way to go.
Sunset is the way to go. Right over there is Manhattan Bridge. Update, it's already nighttime. We just finished crossing the Brooklyn Bridge. Now we are gonna go check out Pebble Beach, which is the beach just below Brooklyn Bridge, and it's so beautiful, guys. Oh, I'm gonna show you the view. Everybody, it's day 2.
morning.
So Alyssa and I just got a cup of green tea from our hotel. And we're gonna head over to a place called Russ and Daughters. So a little thing about me is I'm a Dua Lipa fan. She recommended it on Instagram. Apparently they have some good like appetizers and bagels. Just walking through Chinatown. Cheers. We just arrived at Russ and Daughters. And guess what? There's a line. I guess everybody wants to get their breakfast here. They have some bagels and some different types of food, so we're gonna check it out.
I'm excited to have a bagel, an everything bagel maybe.
Yeah.
I feel like that's like good breakfast.
For sure. Yeah, I think there's like salmon something in there, but we'll see like what's more breakfast.
Yeah.
Like, you know, breakfast vibes. So yeah, we'll check it out. I'll show you inside when we get in. So now we're here at the rooftop of our hotel. Look at the view. So we made our own bagel from Russ and Daughters. So you can see our little setup here. We have some of the salmon, Irish organic salmon, some tuna spread, caviar, cream cheese. Guys, this is so good.
Really good.
What do you think, Alyssa? Would you
10 out
recommend
of
it?
10. Thank you, Dua Lipa.
Yes, thank you, Dua Lipa. Go ahead and get your bagels from here, guys. Russ and Daughters. Nice mom and pop shop. It's great. We recommend it. Have lunch on a rooftop somewhere and enjoy it. All right, so we're here in Times Square. We're just on our way to Central Park. We just stopped by here. So we're here. We're walking to the Rock, and we found this like poster saying it says no parking. I'll show you what a show or movie called Ever's Blueberry. Anyway, yeah, it's filming there. Around the city, there's filming. So yeah, you can't park there. Just a heads up.
Hi guys, postscript. As we're editing this video, we just realized that Ever's Blueberry actually stands for The Crowded Room, which is a TV show Tom Holland is starring in.
Yeah, on Apple TV. And Alyssa's a huge fan.
I know.
So how do you feel right now?
You know, it actually sucks, but okay.
But it's okay, we weren't gonna be there anyway on the day they were filming. So yeah, if you guys want to see Tom Holland, go ahead and go there. Headed to the Rock. Alright guys, we're here in front of the 30 Rock, which is the Rockefeller Center, kind of main building where NBC is and stuff. We're gonna go inside. This is the view. Usually during the winter there's a skating right there. Okay, let's go inside. So you can go upstairs and go to the observatory deck. So this is inside 30 Rockefeller Center. It's so pretty. Oh, these are the elevators, guys, to go upstairs. So we are just exploring inside here. There's a toy store right there. It's called Schwartz. Yeah, there's like a sign. It says NBC Studios. On NBC, Alyssa Hilliera. Yeah, so we're here at Central Park. We're on a park bench. And we're just gonna take a little break. And then we're gonna head straight to the Met.
I'm excited. The iconic stairs.
But we're currently at Central Park South, so it's like just the southern part of the park, like the entrance area. And so from here to the Met, it will take 25 minutes to walk. So we're just like amping up our energy soon. By the way, look at the Billionaires Row condos in the back, or apartments. Those are so tall, guys. Just look at that. Crazy. Now we're walking through Central Park. Guys, so now we're gonna head over to the Metropolitan Museum of Art. That's where the Met Gala is held every year.
Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight.
We're now at the Met. So the Met Gala happens here.
I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool.
Quick update, we just came from Milk Bar because I bought a cake for my birthday. And I got the birthday cake, I'll show you guys later. But we stopped by a convenience store and we got this ice cream from Good Humor. I don't know if you guys know about this, but I just saw it on Instagram one day and I was like, wow, I really want to try that. It just looks so good. It's like strawberry shortcake flavor.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm so excited to try this. Alyssa and I are gonna go up to the hotel and see. Okay. And so we decided to just eat it on the way to the hotel. Look, it smells really good.
It looks cute too.
Yeah, okay, just try it.
Oh my gosh.
It's so good.
Oh my god.
It's everything I imagined and a little bit more.
I like the consistency.
That's what's on the inside. It tastes like a cake.
Yeah.
Guys, I love it. I recommend this Good Humor bar.
Me too.
We're out for dinner right now, and we're at a place called Casa D'Angelo. And yeah, I think we're in Mulberry Street.
Yeah.
We're along Mulberry Street near our hotel. So it's really cool. We just decided to come here. We ordered a lobster, like a seafood platter, and this pasta as well has like cheese in it, ricotta cheese, which I love. So we're excited, and we're gonna take a video when it comes out. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy our dinner. Our food is really good. The cheese pasta I got was great. So cheesy.
Feels like I'm going home. When I shut my eyes, all that you need.
So we're on the rooftop of our hotel. Can you see the Empire State Building? It's so pretty. It's like nighttime, and so I just want to show you my cake. We went over to Milk Bar, just over along like Mulberry Street, the NOLITA one, and it's so pretty.
So cute.
Guys, look, we got the birthday cake flavor, so don't worry. There's like a plastic wrapping, but we're gonna take it off before we eat it, of course. And then it's so pretty. It has like these little round, I think cookie dough pieces. So it's like exciting. And we recommend this in New York. Just like do your own thing. Go find like a rooftop.
It smells really good.
Yeah, it smells good. I just blew the cake, and we are now eating the birthday cake, milk bar cake. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
So good.
So creamy and like just milky, I think.
Yeah, not even joking. Like the flavor of the birthday cake is like, it's so
Here,
sweet. But it's
let's
like
have the
fun.
Empire State in the back.
Okay.
Oh, so good. And we're just devouring this right now.
No.
Guys, I think this is going to be the end of our New York trip. I hope you found this video useful. And yeah, just sharing some snippets of our little trip as well. And like,
Yeah.
so thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Take a slight left turn on Waverly Place. Then in 100...